This is my own review about YouTube as a new YouTuber. And of course, you as a new YouTuber, you have to watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you what you are going to be doing in order for you to be getting views on YouTube, and of course how you are going to grow from 0 subscribers to 1 or 2 or 3 subscribers, for those of us that don't have any subscriber at all. So if this is the first time I'm coming across my video, Goodness Akachi. I talk more on how to make money online, and of course how to grow your YouTube page. So the number one on my list I'm going to be saying as a human being is, for you to grow on YouTube, you really need to be consistent. For you to grow on YouTube, you always have to make videos depending on the niche you fall in. Okay, so you choose what best works for you, like what you are good in doing. That's what you're going to be doing on YouTube. You might be talking about how to make money, how to cook food and all that. Let it be what you know how to do. Okay, so the second one is you really need to also look out for those people who are really making it in your niche. Okay, those people that are cashing out from your need, those people that have grown to 0 subscribers to 1,000, 2,000 to 100 million, 1 million, as name it. Okay, you have to also look at what they are doing, how they put in their thumbnails, and of course the kind of hashtags they use. That's the second thing that is working for me. Okay, and also you have to, as a new YouTuber, if you don't have video IQ, you really need to have that particular app. I don't know if to say his app or AI, whatever. You really need to have it. It helps a lot, because once your ideas come to your head and you type into the vidIQ, it's going to show you what related keywords and people who has the search volume and people who has been doing videos on that. Then you cannot get ideas on how you are going to do your video. And vidIQ also generates what you are going to say, like your description, your topic, the hook, and everything. vidIQ tells you everything about that. So as a new YouTuber, this is what you really need to do. Or go for this vidIQ. Whatever your ideas come, go to it. Use okay, now the next one I'm going to be talking about now is use high demanded ideas, like keywords, because there are keywords that people are looking for. They are searching for it every single day, but low in competition. Okay, like people who are talking about it, they are talking about it, are not that high, like they are very low. So you go for those videos that people are searching for, but there are no YouTubers saying something about it. In that way, your YouTube is going to grow from 0 to 1,000, and from there you are going to be monetizing your YouTube page. And the next thing I'm going to be saying is also, despite anything, try as much as well. Maybe people won't want to tell you, but I'm going to tell you, because this is what I think is working for me. I started getting my subscribers, and of course my YouTube page, YouTube started pushing my videos. So if you get at least 21 to 20 YouTube subscribers, believe me, you are going to be getting your views. You are going to be getting people watching your videos. And of course, also post your videos on Shorts. Okay, before you upload your videos on Shorts, then put on the link there, so that when people watch it and they feel interested, like they want to watch the full part of it, they will not have to type in your tap on the link, and it's going to bring them to the YouTube page. And of course, if you are still watching me to this hour and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube page, please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to my YouTube page. I bring everything that works for me here online. Aside from talking about the things, the apps that pays you daily, I also bring everything that works for me here on YouTube. Okay, if you haven't watched this particular video of how you are going to turn things on, the stuff you have to turn on and what you have to turn off on your video in order for you to go viral and in order for YouTube to push your video, please try as much as possible to watch that video. And of course, thanks for watching this video. And of course again, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.